Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve client retention with HubSpot beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the contacts section in the main menu. Select lists to create a targeted group of clients. Click on create list and choose either active or static. Name your list relevantly, for example, loyal clients or engaged customers. Use filters to segment your clients based on their purchase history or engagement levels. Save the list and review its contents to ensure accuracy. Next, head over to the email marketing section. Create a personalized email campaign aimed at your segmented list. Draft an engaging email that addresses their needs and highlights benefits of staying connected. Utilize the personalization tokens in HubSpot to customize each email with the client's name and details. Schedule your email campaign for optimal times based on previous engagement data. Once your emails are sent, monitor the open and click. Analyze these metrics in the email performance dashboard to determine effectiveness. Incorporate surveys or feedback forms to gather insights from clients about their experiences. Use the feedback to tailor your services and improve client satisfaction. Next, set up automated workflows to nurture these relationships over time. Go to the automation section and choose workflows. Create a new workflow that involves sending follow-up emails after a purchase or service completion. Make sure to include tasks that notify your team about important client milestones. Regularly check the performance of your workflows to optimize their effectiveness. Finally, continuously engage with your clients through social media and content marketing. Share valuable resources that can help them in their business journeys. Implement these strategies consistently to foster long-term relationships and enhance client retention with HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.